Let's turn to our market monitor tonight for more on today's stock market rally and the stocks that he's recommending to investors. This is his first time joining us on the program. His name is Peter Tews. He is president of the Chase Investment Council. Welcome, Peter. Nice to have you here.
Hi, Sue. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. You know, it's such a curious day because we've had so much volatility in the stock market, yet we had this link to terror in the San Bernardino shootings this week, and we had a very, very strong rally in stocks. To a lot of people, that doesn't make sense. What do you think?
It doesn't make sense. You're right. You got to remember today's market pretty much offset the drop we had yesterday. And while the shootings in San Bernardino are terrible and a tragic event, and our hearts go out to everybody affected, I think until there's a pattern, it's viewed as a one-off event, and the market seems to look past it at what the economy is going to do.
Let's talk about your investment strategy. You're a growth investor, so you're looking for companies and stocks with earnings growth and the ability to deploy cash. Martin Marietta Materials is on the list. Why do you like that particular stock?
Well, as your reporter mentioned a few minutes ago, Congress just approved a massive infrastructure bill that will spend billions on highway construction throughout the United States. Martin Marietta Materials is one of the key beneficiaries of that highway building. They should have 50% earnings growth between this year and next year, and is selling for 20 times earnings. In addition, they have a massive share repurchase plan to take their own internally generated capital and buy back roughly 20% of their outstanding shares.
Next, it's to the home front, home builders in particular, NVR Incorporated. Why do you like it?
Yeah, NVR is a company based in Reston, Virginia, does probably 50% of its business in Northern Virginia and the Maryland area. And, you know, housing is in a sweet spot of a cycle, we think, for the next 2 or 3 years, even with a small rate hike in the next couple of weeks. The company delivered about 3,700 homes in the past quarter, has a backlog of 7,000, 8,000 homes to deliver over the next 6 months or so. So we think you're going to get, again, very good earnings growth for the company.
Okay.
And it's selling for a reasonable price.
All right, very quickly, Blackhawk Network Holdings.
Yeah, gift cards. Go into your grocery store and look at the rack of iTunes cards, Amazon cards, Home Depot cards, and Bass Pro Shop cards. and that's Blackhawk for you, and I think they're the Christmas gift of choice for many people these days.
All right, Peter, nice to have you with us. We'll have you back very soon. Peter Tews with Chase Investment Council.